Hello and welcome to our weekly news highlights. Here are the top stories you can't miss this week. First up, a major diplomatic breakthrough between two of the world's most populous nations. India and China have agreed to resume direct flights and border trade, marking the most significant progress in their relationship since the deadly 2020 border clashes. The agreement, which follows a key visit by top Chinese diplomat to New Delhi, will see the reinstatement of air links and the reopening of vital trade routes like the Lippu Lake, Shipkila and Nathula passes. This move is set to boost business, tourism and people-to-people connection, with an updated air services agreement also in the works. Next, a significant ruling from the Supreme Court of India on the issue of stray dogs. In modification of an earlier verdict, the court has ruled that stray dogs that are not rabid or aggressive will be released back to their original locations after being sterilized, dewormed and vaccinated. The court has also prohibited public feeding of stray dogs on the streets, mandating that dedicated feeding zones be established in each municipal ward. This decision aims to balance the welfare of animals with the safety of the public and will now be applied nationwide, with the court set to formulate a national policy on the matter. Moving to an exciting development in sustainable transport, electric vehicles in Maharashtra are now exempt from paying toll tax on key routes. This new policy, part of the state's Electric Vehicle Policy 2025, is now in effect on the Atal Setu Bridge, the country's longest sea bridge. With an estimated 60,000 vehicles passing through Atal Setu daily, this move is expected to provide significant savings for the 22,400 registered EVs in Mumbai and boost EV adoption across the state. In a story of determination and triumph, 17-year-old Mohsin Ali from Srinagar has made history by winning Jammu and Kashmir's first gold medal at the Khelo India Sports Festival. The class 12 student, who earns money for his diet by giving shikara rides on Dal Lake, defeated kayakers who have competed internationally to win the 1,000-meter kayaking event. His victory is a testament to his hard work and serves as a symbol of aspiration for youth of Kashmir. Finally, a powerful initiative for rural development in Jharkhand. ACC and the Adani Foundation have implemented solar-powered irrigation and water systems across the Gram Panchayat of Chhatanan and nearby villages in Sindri. The clean energy systems, which include 5 HP solar irrigation pumps for 15 acres of farmland and 6 2 HP solar drinking water systems, are providing low-cost, uninterrupted irrigation and safe drinking water to over 150 families. This project is helping small farmers reduce costs in the region. That's all for this week. Stay tuned for more stories highlighting progress and development from across India.